Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Watson Assistant to build a chat widget, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Watson Assistant and build a chat widget, start by logging into your IBM Cloud account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the IBM Cloud website. Once logged in, navigate to the Watson Assistant service. If you haven't already created an instance, click on Create Resource and select Watson Assistant from the catalog. After your instance is set up, go to the Watson Assistant dashboard. Click on Create Skill to start building your assistant. Select Dialog Skill and give your skill a name and optional description. Now, add intents to your skill by clicking on Intents in the left sidebar. Define intents based on the user queries you want to handle, like greeting or asking for information. Next, switch to the Entities tab to create relevant entities for your intents. Entities help categorize specific data from user inputs. After that, proceed to the Dialog tab to design the conversation flow. Create dialog nodes to manage responses based on user interactions. Test your skill using the built-in simulator to ensure the flow works as expected. Once satisfied, publish your skill to make it available for integration. Now, prepare to create your chat widget by navigating to Web Chat in the Watson Assistant menu. Click on Launch Web Chat. Here, you will customize your chat widget's appearance and settings, such as colors and welcome messages. After customization, click on Generate Code to obtain the HTML code for your chat widget. Copy the generated code. Next, go to your website's HTML where you want the chat widget to appear. Paste the copied code into the HTML source. Save your changes and refresh your website. Finally, test the chat widget to ensure it functions correctly with your Watson Assistant. This completes the process of connecting Watson Assistant to build and integrate a chat widget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.